what's up?
What's up, YouTube? We back at it.
Yes, sir.
So today we have a couple GoPro Hero 9s, and we're going to be testing them out just because, you know, our cameras are good and all. We're getting 60 frames per second, but I kind of want to take it up to the next step, you know?
Yes, and so we're going to be doing like a little unboxing, seeing what they come with, how they do, and we'll show y'all like the difference.
Yeah, we also got a suction mount, and you have to get an SD card as well to fit this. With the suction cup, though, we could put it on our car. I think that would be sick. So
be nice,
that's really what we're trying to go for.
So we don't gotta like hold our phones, and you know, we have dash cams, but they're not as good. These are like better quality, so
Great quality.
taking it to the next step up.
Yeah, here we go. So we're just gonna get started by washing the car, probably show y'all the differences, and then we'll get test driving and see what we can do. Yep, that's gonna be the video.
Yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. That was our GoPro video.
We're gonna be shooting some fire content with this. We already have a bunch of stuff lined up for y'all. We drop it pretty consistent. We're gonna try to get a little more consistent with this.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, you know, that's why you're gonna hit the subscribe button.